guys, so good day guys. Wala lang, nakapamalandong lang ko nung I've been off work for like 4 months since this is the longest vacation I have other than sa COVID times guys. Nasa 4 months na ko and I'm about to join a ship in about a week's time. So ayan guys, medyo okay sad na delay ko kay of course nakapamalandong ta, no? And then at the same time nagkaroon tayo ng time and to put up this business guys. We have the layer egg business and at the same time yung ano natin guys, yung ice plant. Alright, so I always focus on evergreen business and ayan guys, hopefully more to come, more business ideas that I can add to this evergreen business guys. So but the most important thing guys na realize na ako nga during the time na delay ko sa work is that nagkaroon tayo ng time to focus on ourselves, you know, to watch over our health guys, no? Mentally, at the same time yung ano natin guys, kasi pag too much focus on job, just earning money and so on, wala tayo sa isip and sometimes we, you know, forgot about ourselves and we take our health for granted. So this time around guys, nagkaroon tayo ng focus at saka, you know, nagkaroon ng time sa sarili natin, which is very good. Okay, so kahit na na-delay tayo, it was a loss of income, pero at the same time nagkaroon tayo ng, you know, other means or trying to think what other alternative means, you know, of making an income guys here in the Philippines. Alright guys, so ayan guys, hopefully in the next few vlogs guys, magkita na naman tayo sa labas, hopefully, cross fingers. Alright, till next time, see you on the next one. Bye bye.